people still think that the best way to preserve foods is by putting everything in the fridge, and it may even be true for most ingredients, but in some cases, the fridge is totally contraindicated. It's proven that some foods actually spoil if stored in the refrigerator. To explain this truth, we will show you 6 foods that most people keep in their fridges, but shouldn't. Garlic shouldn't be stored in the fridge. The low temperature can harm this seasoning, making it unusable. After buying garlic, remove it from the packaging and keep it in a dry, fresh place. Potatoes are another food that should not go in the fridge. Refrigeration makes the starch turn into sugar, which changes the flavor and color of the food. Keep your potatoes in a cool, dark place. Onions hate cold and humidity, so they should be kept in a cool, well-ventilated place. If not, they start sprouting and decompose more quickly. If you can't avoid the sprouting, peel and dice the onions and then keep them in the fridge for up to 30 days. Another seasoning that should not be in your fridge is basil, which can develop dark spots. Keeping it at room temperature is a better option. Eggs are another food that can stay out of your fridge. Free-range eggs can be safely kept at room temperature. If they have any cracks on the shells, then keep them refrigerated. If your eggs are already in the fridge, keep them in there. The last food on our list is the tomato, which actually must stay out of the fridge. When refrigerated, the tomato breaks its sugars, acids, and aroma-producing compounds that make its flavor. The cold also harms the cell structure of tomatoes, giving them an unpleasant texture. So, did you like learning which foods should stay away from your fridge? Tell me, do you keep any of them in your fridge? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.